So hello everyone, welcome to Prep Talks 4.0. This is an initiative by the Admission Committee of VGSoM to help CAT aspirants in their preparation. So with us is Mrinal Bachulkar, who scored 97.95 in DILR. So Mrinal, can you tell us more about yourself?
Hi Travis, thank you for such a great introduction. So starting with my academics, I have scored 98% in 10th, 84% in 12th. Moving forward, I have completed my graduation in mechanical engineering, where I scored 9.26 of CGPA. After that, I was working in a cashew factory in operations department.
So coming to DILR, can you give us some insights into how you prepared for the section and what were your strategies on it?
So DILR is a very interesting section where you don't have, keep working on basics and memorize things and formula and lot of things. So here you just have to do basics in short period. After that, what you have to do is practice, practice and practice. There are very few types in DILR sets, like 5 to 6 types, and out of them, 4 will come in the exam. Out of which you have to select 2 or 3 sets to get a great percentile. So for that, what you have to do is you need to know before entering into the arena. You need to know what set you are choosing, why you are choosing it, and how much time will it take. So for that, you have to practice. You have to practice at least 2 to 4 sets every day. Try to diversify your questions, do previous year questions, try various materials of time, and consistently work on it.
What are some common mistakes the CAT aspirant should avoid in the DILR section?
So there is one classic mistake I'll mention. That whenever DILR section opens, people panic and go with the whatever first set come in front of them. But as we know, in 40 minutes, maximum you can do is 3 sets. So for that, you have to choose the right set, the easy set. If the questions are diversified, like 6-4, 6-4, then you already know that the easy set will be 4, you can go with that. But if the questions are 5-5-5, then you need to know what kind of set you are choosing. You need to go with a more familiar set, and after that you can proceed with the level of difficulty you feel you're okay with.
Thank you, Mrinal, for sharing your insights. The Admission Committee of VGSoM would like to wish the CAT aspirants of 2023 all the very best.
All the best.
Thank you very much.